In the late 1990s, the world was captivated by the allure of the digital frontier. The Internet, once a fledgling phenomenon, had blossomed into a realm of boundless opportunity. The stock market was a testament to this, as the Nasdaq Composite Index soared to unprecedented heights. Amidst this digital gold rush, a new breed of companies emerged, the dot-coms. These digital startups, with their promises of revolutionary ideas and exponential growth, captured the hearts and wallets of investors worldwide. Companies like Pets.com, Webvan, and Boo.com were hailed as the future, their IPOs causing a frenzy that echoed throughout the financial world. Yet, as the 21st century dawned, cracks began to appear in this digital utopia. The lofty valuations of these companies were built on little more than hype and speculation. The lack of profitability and sustainable business models became increasingly evident, as did the reality that many of these startups could not survive in a competitive market. The bubble reached its peak in March 2000, when the Nasdaq Composite Index hit 5,048.62, a figure that would soon become emblematic of the excesses of the dot-com era. Investors, who had grown accustomed to easy profits, watched in horror as the market began to crumble. The bursting of the dot-com bubble was swift and brutal. By the end of 2002, the Nasdaq had plummeted to a low of 1,139.21, a loss of over 78%. The fallout was catastrophic. Thousands of jobs were lost, and numerous companies, once heralded as the future of business, were forced to shut their doors. The dot-com bubble burst was a stark reminder of the perils of unchecked speculation and the importance of sustainable business practices. The lessons learned from this era continue to reverberate today, serving as a cautionary tale for those who dare to tread the digital frontier. In the aftermath, a new era emerged. The survivors of the dot-com crash refocused on profitability and long-term sustainability, laying the groundwork for the tech giants we know today. The dot-com bubble burst was not just a financial event, it was a pivotal moment in the evolution of the tech industry, a moment that forever changed the way we approach entrepreneurship and innovation.